Whew. Shout out to landowners who work with the DNR to actually provide access to anglers. I think we should all have laws like Montana, but what do I know? Anyways, here's another average fly fishing video for you. Gonna be walking out to this river looking for some browns, and we shall see. Let's get to it. It's like wildfire season is already upon us. I ran into a guy who was on his way out, and he said that he caught a couple on streamers. So anyways, I doubt that guy that I talked to will ever see this video, but I appreciate him pointing me in the right direction. Are you serious? That is the smallest fish I have ever caught on a streamer. Whoa. How did he even get his mouth around that? That's crazy. Toss him back in that pool. Well, it's pretty surprising. All right, I put on a different streamer, so we're gonna try this out for a sec, and if I get nothing, might have to switch to... Oh, there's a fish, nice. Spoke too soon. Oh yeah. That was sweet. Wait a minute. Is this, no way. Is this a smallie? Holy crap, it is a smallie. All right, buddy, please stay on. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Oh, yes! Dude. That is my first smallmouth that I've ever landed. That is crazy. Wow, he gobbled that thing too. It's way down in there. Oh, dude, no way. That's so sick. Look at that. My first smallmouth bass ever. That was so awesome. Let's go. Well, I guess switching flies was worth it. That was insane. First cast with that new fly, I hook up into a smallmouth. That was so cool. Gotta say, I wasn't expecting to catch a smallmouth bass today. I'm pretty sure that's my first ever. Definitely my first on the fly. Oh my gosh. Bro, what is going on with this reel? What in tarnation? I really got to work on my line control this year. Oh, I thought I had hooked up into something immediately. Oh, there's a rise right there. Oh, come on, man. It's a bad hook set. No way. That was a crazy aggressive take, or almost a take. It's like he just totally missed the fly. That was a good cast though. Let me see if I can get it to him again. Yes, there we go. Nice take. That was sweet. Oh, is this a rainbow? I don't know. It's just a really light brown. Oh man, it feels good to catch fish on dries. It's a really like silvery brown. That's very pretty. All right, let's see if we can get it. Oh, okay, whoa, 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 whoa. That's 2 fish in a row that I've missed on the emerger. I've missed so many bites on the Parachute Adams and on the RS2 emerger. What is with me today?